In this video, we are going to look at the Learner Dashboard page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come into the website, which is experienceed.com, and that'll bring us to the login screen. Then we're going to put in our username and password, which I've just created a new one, so I'm just going to type that in now and click Login. And this brings us to the dashboard page. So we're just going to do a quick overview. The first thing I'm going to point out is up in the far right-hand corner, you're going to see the word learner and then your name. When you click on the drop-down menu, you're going to see which center you belong to and the number of roles you have. As a learner, you're only going to have one role. You can also access your account by clicking on this button, or you can log out. There is a little bell icon right here. When I click on that, it tells me any notifications that have happened within the system. So right now we are up to date on all notifications, so there are nothing to see. If we wanted to go see any of them, we could click See All, and that would take us to a page that would list out those notifications. Now over on the far left-hand side, you'll see that we've got the XED icon, and then down below we've got Dashboard, Progress, Resource, and Achievements. So these are the different options that you can move around within your account. And in the center, this is where you're seeing the overview. So depending on how many courses you have, you could filter them. So if I were to click on Word, it would just bring up some basic information on my Word course. And right now, this is a brand new account, so you can see that I've got no study hours, no lessons completed, and no achievements at this point. My last login was just a couple of minutes ago. So it will give you progress on today, it'll give you progress on your weekly, and it'll also give you progress on your monthly achievements. So down below, I can deselect this as well. I could go over to another one, it'll show me whichever course I'm on. Now down below, I can actually see my courses. So I can see that I'm part of the Word course, the PowerPoint course, and the Excel course. If I had some other courses, I could click on the ongoing and it would filter those ones. If I'd completed some courses, I would click on completed and it would show me those. And then of course the expired. So if you had any expired courses and you clicked on this button, you would see those courses that are expired. Now I'm going to go back to the all courses. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit and let's just do a little walkthrough of everything that's on these course icons. So the first thing you'll see is that you've got the name of the course, and then it gives you a percentage. This is your overall progress on that course. It tells you your instructor. It also gives you the group that you're associated to. So that group, my instructor has labeled it Microsoft Office Applications. You might see something that represents your course code or your section or block or something along those lines. And then we've also got a button that says Go to Course. So the Go to Course button, when it pertains to Microsoft Office, has a couple of different features. And so I'm going to just click on this and briefly go through this. We will show you in another video exactly how to get logged in. So when I click on the Go to Course, it brings up this menu option. I've got two different options. I've got Microsoft Office Online, or I've got Microsoft Office for Desktop. Now, the desktop version works with Windows-based computers, and the online version works with anything, Chromebooks, Mac, or Windows. So depending on what you are working from will depend on which way you want to go. So if I was working on a Mac, I would be choosing the Microsoft Office Online. When I select the drop-down menu for that, it actually gives me a little bit of a description. In here, it tells me that I can create a Microsoft account. Now, if you do not have a Microsoft account or one has not been provided to you by your school, you can create a free Microsoft account. You do not have to pay for it. It comes automatically. But if you create a free account, once you get logged in, you're going to have to install an Office add-in. This is a video on exactly how to install it. It's very simple. As you can see, this video is only 52 seconds long, so that will take you no time at all to do. So these are the instructions for that. Now, if I toggle this back on, And now I'm going to go down to the Microsoft Office for Desktop. You can see that Microsoft Office for Desktop, you're actually going to access this that's on your computer. So you would have your software already downloaded and installed on your computer. So this is just a video that's going to show you how to access that. Once you open it up, you as well are going to have to make sure that you have the add-in. Now, the add-in may be provided by your school. So if it has been provided by your school, then you will automatically see it in the ribbon up there. Now, I'm going to actually do another video which will show you exactly how to do this as well, but there is this that is embedded inside the software, so you can always come here and see this video at any time. So I'm just going to pause that, close this little window, and we're just going to move on to a couple of other spots. So now that we've given you an overview of the dashboard, we're going to do another video that will show you progress, resource, and achievements. And then we will also show you another video that will show how to log in and get started.